So this is the practical number, that is serial number 10, practical number 14. In this practical, we will see this. Develop a program to implementation of vectors in Java. Practical number 14 is what? Implementation of vectors. So what is the practical significance? Vector elements is a dynamic array. Vector holds different number of objects. Students will able to use vectors in a program efficiently. So develop a program to perform various operations on vectors using different methods. So we'll see that. Minimum theoretical background for this practical is what? You are having the methods in the vectors. So vector is a what? It stores the array of different objects. So this vector is what you are having the predefined methods. We will see one by one methods. Void add element having the parameter object OB adds the specified component to the end of this vector, increasing its size by 1. Int capacity returns the current capacity of this vector, and then boolean contains and followed by the object element that tests if the specified object is a component in this vector. We'll see our methods in this, some of the methods in this practical. Void clear removes all the elements from this vector, and then element add returns the component at a specified index. You have to give the index number that will be retrieved. Enumeration elements return the enumeration of the components of this vector. First element returns the first component of this vector. Last element returns the last component of this vector. And next, index of searches for the first occurrence of a given argument. Insert element at insert specified object as a component at the specified index position. Remove element at removes the element at a specified position in the vector. Remove element removes the first occurrence of the argument from the vector. Integer size returns the number of components in this vector. And copy information array of object array copies the components of the vector into specified array. So write a program to insert different elements in the vector and display them. So we'll see here, write a program to insert different elements in the vector and display. So here we'll see the experiment number 10. So notepad, file, open exp10 exp10.java file. Always you have to open this Java file. See here. This vector class is present in UTL package. That's why your first statement is to import this package first. Always importing the package should be the first statement of your program. So import java.utl package and then class name and main method. In this one you have to create the object of the vector. Vector का V capital रहना चाहिए. Vector V equal new vector, it creates the default vector. And then you have to add the object into this vector, that is integer I1 equal to new integer. So vectors does not store any primitive data type. It stores only the object. So you have to convert this 10 into the integer object and then you are storing here. Then using this add method. So what is this add method? Add method is present in this vector class. That's why you are using v dot add. What is the object? I1. And same thing, we are adding this double. We are creating this double value into the double object, and then you are adding. So double D1 equals new double 25.5. You are converting this double value into the double object, and then you are adding. And same thing, string S1 equals new string, whatever the string you are passing, then that string you have to store in the vector. So either you can do like this, or you can directly add the string to this vector. And after that, the vector is v. The vector is, and plus v means it will display all the elements of the vectors. So exp10, I am running this program, Java C, exp capital, no, everything is exp10.java. So after that, you have to run the program. So the vector is, here it is written, plus v means 10, the value 10, 25, the vector you are adding these values. S1 Java is fun. Is it clear how to add the values? And after that, here some of the questions are there. We'll read these questions here only, and I will explain. See here. First, state the difference between size method and the capacity method of the vector class. The difference between capacity and size in Java UTL package vector is that the size is the number of elements which is currently hold. Size means currently how many vector size is how much, and capacity is what? Capacity is the number of elements which can maximum hold. What is the capacity of the vector? So that elements, it should hold how many elements? Is it clear? What is the difference between size and the capacity? Size means number of elements in the vector. Capacity means which can hold how many elements. Vector can hold how many elements. Difference between add element and insert element add method. The add method insert the element at a given position of the vector. The add element method adds the object at the end of the vector. Add element adds the object at the end of the vector and increases the size of the vector one. So insert element at element comma index method is used. Insert a particular element at a specified index of the vector. So here insert element at hello comma 2. So after 2, it will insert this hello method. That is third position. It will insert this string. That is insert ka I small. Always in Java, the methods will start with the small letters, and if 2 or 3 words are there, the first letter of the word is capital, and next there is no space between these words. So add एक word है, element एक word है. So इसका पहला लेटर कैपिटल है, and then insert element at ये predefined method है. किसके अंदर है? वेक्टर क्लास के अंदर है. Difference between array and the vector class. So vector is a dynamic array whose size can be increased, whereas array size cannot be changed. Reserve the space can be given for the vector, whereas the arrays cannot. Is it clear? So space for a given vector. So you can reserve the space, but array you have to mention this array size. A vector is a class where array is not. Vector is a predefined class, but array is not. It is of the derived data type. And vectors can store any type of object, whereas array can store only homogeneous values. Advantages of array. Arrays suppose efficient random access to the memories. It is easy to sort the array. They are more appropriate for storing the fixed number of elements. Disadvantage of array. Elements cannot be deleted. Dynamic creation of array is not possible. Multiple data types cannot be stored in this array. Is it clear? So vector is a dynamic array. The size of the array vector can be increased or decreased. And then what is this? Example, you have to write the program using the methods of the vectors. So here exp10b. So I will show you 10b now. Open exp10p.java. So I will run this and afterwards I will explain this. CLS Java C exp10b.java. See here. Size is 4, default capacity is this, vector elements are this, size after addition. See, we'll see that. First is what I have told in the previous program. This vector class is present in this UTL package. First you have to create the object. Here mention the size. The 4 elements you can store in this vector. So what are these 4? How to add the elements in the vector? Vector का object क्या है? VEC dot add. There are 4 elements we are adding. These are the 4 elements. And after that, they have checked the size. Here, size is a predefined method. Size is how much? That is 4. Here, the size is 4. And after that, what is the capacity of this? Capacity, by default, capacity is what? That is also 4 only. And display the vector elements. So how to display the vector elements? So system.out vector elements are plus v. Vector का object में वो सब vector का object store हो गया. So plus vec means what all the elements of the vector are displayed here. And then after that I am adding 3 more elements here. Add element and that will add at the end of the vector. Vector का last element कौन सा है? Elephant. Elephant के बाद rat add होगा, उसके बाद cat add होगा, उसके बाद deer add होता है. So उसके बाद वापस we are displaying. Size after addition is plus size दिया. So first कितना था? 4 था, उसके बाद 3 add करेगा तो size कितना होएगा? 7 हो जाएगा. And capacity after addition is what? Capacity कितना हो गया? 4 हो गया. So किसका capacity? क्योंकि already 4 है, उसका वापस 4 बढ़ गया, वो total capacity 8 हो गया. Display the vectors of the elements. Again, the elements are plus VEC. So all the elements are displayed here. And then checking if tiger is present or not in this vector. This string is present in this vector or not. We'll see. So if VEC, that vector object contains, this is the method in the vector, contains tiger, tiger रहेगा तो क्या होएगा? System.out.println tiger is present at the index, that is VEC.index of tiger. See here, tiger है present at the index 0. Starting में वो 0 में था. So tiger is present at the 0 index. So first element is a 0 element. Index at VEC dot index of tiger, that is 0. Is it clear? So VEC contains tiger. System.out.println tiger is present at the index. ये तो string में है, हाँ जैसा है वैसा ही इधर tiger is present at the index है. उसके बाद क्या है प्लस VEC dot index of tiger. इंडेक्स टाइगर का इंडेक्स क्या है 0 से स्टार्ट हो गया. And then else नहीं रहेगा तो क्या होने का system.out.println tiger is not present in the list. Now this is executed and get the first element. See here, get the first element. System.out.println the first animal of the vector is the first element is the method in the vector. So here the first animal in this vector is tiger and the last element is what? Deer. Is it clear? So these are the methods present in this vector class. So that is what about this experiment.